cha-cha, cha-cha.
Ooh, cha-cha, cha-cha. All night long, sway your hips, feel so strong. Cha-cha, cha-cha. Never stop, ooh yeah, let it pop. Heat it up with every beat. Move your feet, so sweet, so sweet. Turn around, feel the groove, ooh yeah. Make it smooth. Cha-cha, cha-cha. All night long, sway your hips, feel so strong. Cha-cha, cha-cha. Never stop, ooh yeah, let it pop. Twist and turn with the flow. Feel the fire, let it grow. Cha-cha left, cha-cha right, ooh yeah. All the night, feel the rhythm in your soul. Round and round, let it roll. Cha-cha, feel the heat, ooh yeah. Move your feet. Cha-cha, cha-cha. All night long, sway your hips, feel so strong. Cha-cha, cha-cha. Never stop, ooh yeah, let it pop.
Hi everyone, today's dance is called Cha-Cha Sway. It's a 32 count, 4 wall, equal level Cha-Cha line dance. Let me face the back wall. First section, you start with the left foot, have the left step to the side. And then right foot to the back, recover, and right foot forward shuffle, forward together, forward. And after this one, you make a period with a quarter turn right. So left foot, step, turn. Right now you're facing your 3 o'clock wall, and then left foot do the samba step, cross, rock, recover. Okay, do this section one more time with cut. So start with the left foot. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1. And then the second section, you continue, have the right foot cross, and then step back on the left foot, and then move the right foot to the side, do sway to the right, sway to the left, and then right foot to the side, left foot together, and then right foot to the forward shuffle, forward together, forward. Okay, do this section one more time with cut. So after your first section, your samba step for 8 and 1, and then continue with the right foot. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1. And then the third section, you start with the left foot, have the left foot run forward, recover, and then the tail turn leg shuffle. So you do the quarter together, quarter to left. Right now you're facing your 9 o'clock wall. And after this one, you make a period quarter turn left with the flick. So right foot step, turn with the right foot flick. Right now you're facing your 6 o'clock wall. And then right foot do the cross shuffle, cross, side, cross. Okay, I do this section one more time with cut. So after your second section, start together and forward shuffle for 8 and 1. And then start with the left foot. 2, 3, 4, and 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1. And then the final section, you start with the left foot. You move the left foot to the side, to the side rock, recover, and weaving behind, side, cross, hold, bow, cross, and then make a quarter turn right with the right step forward. Right now you're facing your back wall. Okay, do this section one more time is high. So after your sensation step, 3 and cross shuffle for 8 and 1. And continues with the left foot, 2, 3, 4 and 5, 6 and 7, 8. Okay, now they put everything together from the top. So start with the left foot, side, back, recover, forward shuffle, step, turn, cross, some back, cross, recover to sway, sway, side, together, forward shuffle, rock forward, recover, shuffle with heel turn left, step, quarter turn left, free, cross shuffle, side rock, recover, behind side, cross, hobo, cross, and quarter turn rock. Okay, do one more time with tap. So you start with the left foot, 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5, 6, 7, 8 and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5, 6, 7, 8 and 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5, 6 and 7, 8. And for this dance, we have one restart. It will happen at wall 6. Wall 6, you will start from your 9 o'clock wall and you do all the way to count 24, the third station. So at count 24, in the end, you will do the step 3. And instead of cross shuffle for 8 and 1, you just do one cross for count 8. And then you restart the dance, side, back, recover, forward shuffle. So after your restart, you're facing your 3 o'clock wall. Okay, do the restart one together this time. So start with the left foot, 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5, 6, 7, 8 and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5, 6, 7, 8 and restart this 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5 and continue.